Hello everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Crown Lounge. So what we're going to make for you today is a Black Widow. This is a tequila based cocktail. You use some blanco tequila in this lime, and we're going to use some fresh ingredients. We got some blackberries and some fresh basil. I just remember as a kid picking blackberries and eating them. So I'm really excited about this because I love some blackberries. It's been a while. But anywho, we're going to go with 2 blackberries. We're going to go with 3 basil leaves. And we're going to give it a good smother. You can smell it. It smells so good. Next, we're going to start off with our spirit. 1.5 ounces of blanco tequila. Next, we're going to go with a 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And we're going to do a bar spoon of an agave nectar or agave syrup, whatever you got. Give this a good stir. Add some ice. Now we stir in the chill. You can do this in a shaker cup also, if that's your preferred method. Oh, there's a basil leaf wrapped up in my spoon. Get that in there. Next, you want to pour it in your glass of ice and strain it. I guess you could double strain it, but I don't mind getting the little blackberry bits. I think that makes it better. So yes, I think it's better with the little blackberry bits in it. You just don't want the big leaves in it. But anyway, a Black Widow. Cheers. That's a solid cocktail. This is the basil isn't as prevalent as I thought it would be. You get the blackberries in there. I mean, the lime, maybe if you just, maybe 3/4 of an ounce of lime, maybe. But the recipe calls for 1 ounce, but still a good drink. I like it. This is another good tequila drink. Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time. Cheers.